Looks maxing gets me 60,000 yen a month. Might think I just sold 1,200,000. My right eye, 300,000. Sold some of my Riz for, how much did it go again? Not even 420,000. That brings my debt down to 69 million yen. Shut the fuck up already, bitch, I know. Let's go fuck some shit up. Killing just one devil nets me about 300,000. Yep, being a devil hunter is the best way to make some moolah. This one's the retard devil, sir. You should burn it.
Good boy. You get very money. You get 100 quadrillion yen.
Thanks, Pookie.
Nah, Bull take 900 bedazzle yen. Nah, I think I take more.
Only 6,900 left. After I pay bill, and I use some to wipe my ass. That funny. I only have 420 yen. Ain't got shit at home. We have to live on this for the rest of the month. Okay, bitch. Our meal is one bread.
Hey, Pookie, why we use kid?
Cause that is daddy dead.
Are you his daddy?
Nah, I'm not his daddy. His real daddy dead.
It's a speed one!
For real? Okie dokie. That came out so garbage.
How'd that sound? Keep it on sounds.
We go when devil. You run, you die.
Plug. I heard something recently. Apparently it's normal to eat your sliced bread with gum on it. Well, normal is just a pipe dream for us anyways. I don't even have a dick. I'm vulnerable right now. If any girl wants to take advantage of me. If dreams do come true, I want a girl to dominate me before I die.
Damn it! The plug hung himself. I don't care if you become a whore or beg. Give me 1 sextillion a million by tomorrow, or I kill.
A chainsaw? It's a devil. Please kill me. Anyway. You're hurt. Are you too? Bite me. I heard that if a devil drinks blood, its wounds heal. If you don't want to die, then bite me. My blood doesn't come free. This is a contract. I'll save you, so you save me. I don't want to die either.
Nani?
Can I be your new plug, sir? I'm so horny I can't even sleep. When I can't sleep, I think about lollies. And then it gets even harder for me to sleep. Oh, I know. This is what I'll dream of when I fall asleep tonight. I'll spread my cum on sliced bread. I'll get some bitches on my dick. I'll tell her to use a strap-on. And I'll let her dominate me all night. Good dream, right? My mom, they said she had a heart condition that she died coughing up blood.
We got devil. Work time.
I'm vulnerable right now if any girl wants to have their way with me. A devil showed up here, sir? I don't see it. Maybe it hid somewhere?
You know, you're pretty chill.
Oh, yes, sir?
You're a good plug too. And you cool too.
Uh-huh.
But I hate plugs. They smell bad. By the way, don't call me sir. Call me Big Daddy. 'Cause I'm about to dominate you. What we want is the devil's power. This is my new plug. He's a little weird, but they chill. And what I want is the devil's of all plugs. Extinct will plug. These guys, they're seriously stupid. Total suckers. When I said I'd give them my devil power, he became my little freaky twinkly.
You said that completely wrong.
Because I was trying to figure out how to say that and speak it at the same time, and I got it strong. How do you pronounce that?
It's willingly.
Oh my gosh, I overthought that.
They became my slaves, freaking willingly. Too bad my power turns people into zombies. 'Cause I'm a zombie devil. Devil hunters kill us devils. I hate them, so I kill them. Fuck him in the ass and dump him in the garbage.
Ugh. Just dreaming of a girl dominating me was enough. Do I not even get to have that much? Pochita! Pochita! Come on, let's go to work. Pochita, I might die while I'm fighting devils. If I do, you'll be my one regret. You could starve to death or get killed by another devil hunter. I heard some devils can come inside dead bodies. Hey bitch, you can come inside me all you want. You can come inside me until I die. So you can leave this town without me. So, if you want to be happy and not live a miserable life, you should get a dommy mommy whammy for me. Pretty please. Huh? Pochita? Did you come inside of me?
I've always loved listening to you talk about dominating women. I'll give you chainsaw. Only if you tell me what I look like.
Yeah?
Tell me what I look like if I was black or Chinese.
Pochita! Huh? No more boo-boos? Pochita?
Huh?
Oh my gosh, I might.
I fuck him in the ass, I fuck him in the I fuck him in the ass. I fucked him in his pussy. Why is he so alive? I fuck him in the ass, gross. How alive? XD. Try eating him out this time. XD.
These guys already had plenty. How come they wanted an even better life? Maybe I'm the same. I should have been happy as long as I had Pochita, but I still dreamed of a better life. Oh, I get it. Everybody dreams, you can't help it. Then dreaming's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, but you forgot one thing. I didn't give you consent!
XD!
The power of consent!
Looks like you guys have no idea what's coming. I know! I'ma file a lawsuit! And then, if I manage to pull a Brian Turner Emerson Moreland,
Well, I was actually coming out here to pick up a cupcake.
it's jail time! Lamau!
XD!
POV, average day in Baltimore? Am I right? XE.
Please, Lord in heaven, end my suffering. I shan't live any longer, or I will end it myself. Let me die, for my life is pain. My existence is pain. I have no purpose but to endure every day with facelessness. If there even is a God, kill me.
You have a particular smell. It isn't incel or Discord mod. Did you do this? Dominate me. You're a human.
Any chance it's a Discord mod?
Nah, you could see the mod in their faces. I came here to kill the zombie devil. I'm a public safety devil hunter. You have two choices. One, be killed by me as a devil. Or two, be kept by me as a human. If you're my pet, I'll give you food. Food? What would I get for breakfast? Let's see. Manipulation with killing all your friends, multiple girls trying to ruin your life, and at the very end, maybe me? Blood spoiled the entire plot of part 1.